Welcome. In front of me is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this tablet. So let's get started by pulling down our notifications. And in here, somewhere you'll find a screen recording toggle. Now for me, that toggle is on the first page right over here. So once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will give us option for recording sound. So we have none, media, or media and mic. Surprisingly, we don't have just mic as an option. Anyway, below that we also have show taps and touches. I'll enable that just so you can see how that looks like. From there we can select start, you can skip the countdown, and whatever you will do right now will be recorded. Now as you can see, this gigantic little dot under the pen is basically the show taps and touches. This also functions with the finger as well. So there we go. Now whatever you'll open should be recorded, minus things like Netflix, because Netflix is garbage. So you'll see that in a second. So I'm just flipping through the pages right here. You can close this and let's stop the screen recording. So once you stop the screen recording, it will automatically get saved to your Photos application or gallery. I think we have both of them in here. So you can see it right up here. And as you can see on the recording, you can see this dot where the pen or finger was touching the display. And as you can see, there's the entire Netflix. There were several pages that we've seen, but because Netflix is garbage, it has somehow the ability to block your screen recording, because why would your device function the way you want it to? I mean, after all, it's yours, right? So anyway, if you ever encountered such a thing where you have black screen, even though you know you're recording something, just know that whatever the application you were trying to record is garbage enough to have more control over your device than you do over it. And Netflix obviously won't be the only one. It's just the easiest one to pick, because Netflix comes pre-installed with like half of the devices nowadays, so I can automatically pick it and crap on it. But if you encounter such a thing, you will probably encounter it in bank applications for the most part, because those actually have a purpose for such a function for security purposes. Well, Netflix ain't securing anything for you, it's securing stuff for itself, aka piracy. Now, anyway, with that being said, that is how you can record your screen, and also where you can find the screen recording. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.